Hello everyone, and it's time for another product review. Now I think I did review the Earth's Own Oat for coffee when I got the regular and it was on sale for half price. This was on sale at Sobeys for $2.88, so right now this week all the Earth's Own products are $2.88, like the 1.75 liter or gallon or whatever, 1.75 liter of milk, sorry guys. And So this is the French vanilla, which I have not tried, so I'm happy to try this. I'm going to see if it foams. So I'm going to start that process before I get into the rest of it. So I'm just going to put it in my foamer, my Vava foam frother. Okay. And I've just covered the little frothing whisk in there. So just put enough to cover that. And I'm going to start frothing that as I do the rest of the review. So it is, of course, made from oat, Earth's Own. Used to be a different name. Why can't I remember right now? But in any case, this is probably just Canadian. I don't know if you guys have this in the States, if you're watching from the US. It has, is, okay, of course, grown using 7 times less water than almond, which is good. It's grown in Canada. And let's see the nutrition facts. For every tablespoon, you have 20 calories, 1 gram of fat, 0.1 gram of saturated fat, no trans fat, 0.3 grams of polyunsaturated fats, and 0.8 grams of monounsaturated fat, 3 grams of carbohydrates, no fiber, 3 grams of sugar, 0.1 gram of protein, no cholesterol, 5 milligrams of sodium, 20 milligrams of potassium, 20 milligrams of calcium, and no iron. Okay, so it's made from obviously an oat base, which is filtered water and oats, cane sugar, sunflower oil, tricalcium phosphate, natural flavor, dipotassium phosphate, calcium carbonate, sunflower lecithin, sea salt, gellan gum, amylase. Of course, it contains oats, and it's in a produced in a facility that also processes tree nuts and soy. So if you are deathly allergic to either of those items, you might not want to be trying this. There's typically no cross-contamination, but if you can't be fully certain, you don't want to try this. Okay, so of course it's vegan, which is why I'm reviewing it. And let's see how this foamed. I hope it foamed. Okay, so I see some foam in here, and what I'm going to do, and I did put it on a hot foam, even though I'm going to be pouring it over iced coffee. So I just picked up the iced coffee from Starbucks. This is the blonde roast. My daughter is into iced coffees. She's 20, I can't believe it. In any case, so I've made some cold brew coffee myself, but you know, this was $6, so I picked it up. It was on sale. So I'm only going to put about that much in here with the ice. And first of all, I never even sampled how this tasted. Let me do that. So I'm just going to grab a spoon. So I want to taste it before I put it in the coffee. This does have a cold foam setting, but okay, this has a delicious, and I do mean delicious, French vanilla flavor. Ooh, I love that. I will pick up more at that price of $2.88 because this is a 473 ml jar or container. So it's almost 500 ml. Now let's just see. So there goes the milk in there. Oh, look at that pour. Look at the mix. I love looking at that. And then there's the foam. Okay, so it does give you a bit of foam, and which I'm happy with. The Starbucks creamer that I have as well, the caramel, salted caramel. The Starbucks one gives you more foam, but Starbucks doesn't have French vanilla, and you don't always want to buy the Starbucks creamer at $6, $7, or whatever the price is. It's not very cheap. Okay, so I'm just going to put a straw in here. Well, first I'll give it a little mix. And a taste. Okay, so now that the foam is in there, it's not too sweet. Now, while I'm not doing a comparison video, I do notice that the Starbucks one, when you add it in, is a lot sweeter, or does this. So depending on your taste, you might want to add a little more sweetness, or this might be just right. It's kind of just like, it's not oversweet, it's not, I don't know how to explain it. It's good if you don't like oversweet. But yeah, guys, I'm really happy with this. Really like this a lot. Earth's Own oat for coffee. It foams. I typically, make a hot coffee, but whatever. Cold coffee works too. And that's all for now, guys. I will see you in the next video.